Hello everyone, I'm just showing you some panda scarves here. I just love these. They're very cute and it seems like a mummy panda and a baby panda holding on to what seems like a rope or some kind of sort of link. It just seems like a green rope. Here you go, and they're so gorgeous, they're very cute. And I've got this red available and this sort of ocean blue. It's like a greeny, it's a fresh colour, greeny blue ocean colour, and it's perfect for summer and such a lovely statement piece. And here is how it looks on a mannequin. There you go. They're fairly long. I'll show you another picture, closer one. Okay. The material is 40% cotton and let me just read this again. Sorry, I think it's 40% cotton. Oh, 60% cotton and 40% viscose. It feels a bit like chiffon, but it's thicker because it's got the cotton mixed to it, so it's much more thicker than light chiffon material. And here you go. Thank you.
I've heard there was a secret chord that David played and it pleased the Lord, but you don't really care for music, do you? Well, it goes like this: the fourth, the fifth, the minor fall, the major lift, the baffled king composing hallelujah, 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 hallelujah. Your faith was strong.